Hi, myself Nancy, and today we are going to learn about asking direction conversation part 1. Before starting the video, I have one request for all my viewers. Watch the video till the end. I hope whatever your doubt, queries may be crystal clear, means शीशे की तरह साफ. Conversation A. Here I want to tell that S1 denotes for first person and S2 denotes for second person. So first person will ask question to second person. Again, first person will ask question to second person, and second person will give answer to this question. So this exercise, it is going to happen like this. So let us see number 1 example. S1 first person, where's the airline's office? Second person is giving answer, it's near the bus terminal, the central terminal. Again, first person is asking question, how far is that from here? Second person is giving answer, about a mile I think. Conversation B. First person is asking question, where's the post office? Second person is giving answer to this question, it's 3 blocks that way. First person is asking question, S1, what did you say? Second person, 3 blocks up that street. Conversation C. S1 first person, where's the airport? Second person is giving that answers. Second person is giving question to that answer, it's north of the city. Next, S1 is asking question, what's the best way to get there? Second person is replying that take highway 15 to the north. Conversation D. First person, what street is the local library on? Second person is giving answer, I don't know. First person, how can I find out? Second person is telling, why don't you ask a policeman? Conversation E. S1 first person is asking question, where's the nearest telephone? Second person is giving answer to that question, there's one in that drugstore. First person is asking question again, do you mean that store over there? Second person, yes, that's the one. Here is some information for all my viewers. If you want to learn more basic English, then you can follow to my first channel, Nancy Juliana, and also you can follow me on Instagram. The link is given below. Go and check it. If this video is really helpful to you, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon also. Thanks for watching the video. So take care of yourself and bye-bye.